Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a secret conversation on Messenger. Secret conversations are encrypted end-to-end, which means that only you and the person you're talking to can read the messages. They're a great way to keep your conversations private. To start a secret conversation, open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the compose message icon in the top right corner. Tap the lock toggle. Select the person you want to have a secret conversation with. Then try to send a message. Once the conversation is started, you'll see a lock icon next to the person's name. Messages on secret conversations are encrypted end-to-end. You can set a timer to make messages self-destruct after a certain amount of time by enabling disappearing messages. Open the conversation again, then tap on this I button. Select Disappearing Messages. Click OK. Select a timer before the message will disappear. In this mode, you can forward messages from secret conversations. Also, you can screenshot messages from secret conversations. That's how to start a secret conversation on Messenger. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.